Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at the person enrichment node specifically. The reason that we want to look at this node is we can do very exciting things as a result of using that inside of our workflows. For example, we can use it to filter down via location, and I've done another video specifically on this. And you can also use it to filter down via job titles. So I'm going to show you how you can go about doing that. First things first, I've gone ahead and set up a search. The person enrichment node only works on the business network or LinkedIn. So you're going to have to select a search that basically focuses on that. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to set up the person enrichment node. So here you're going to add in the author URL of the post that was made. From there, we're then going to go ahead and run a test workflow just to basically have a look at the data coming in. And you can see here we get things such as country, job title, location, whether they're open to work or not. This is really interesting for recruiters. Company name, domain, company description, headcount. This actually allows us to do a lot of fun things off the back of this. For example, we could use an agent node to summarize if this company is the right ICP fit based on how they describe themselves. We can tell the agent to go research their company based on using its search web capabilities and takes the domain and researches whether they are a good fit or not. And then of course we can do things such as, does the job title contain founder, for example? So if we wanted to do something like that, we would actually go ahead and we would add an if node in. We would then say, okay, hey, we want to filter anyone coming through based on job title. And we want to filter it based if the job title contains something such as founder. I might also want to do this again where I'm going to do job title contains something such as like marketing, for example. What I'm going to do here now is I'm going to switch this to an or, and this now means I'm going to find any job title that contains founder or marketing and hit save. And you can see now that I have two options down the true line or down the false line. For the purpose of this, I'm just going to delete both of these so I can run a test and then show you how you can build a workflow using an enrichment and an if node together to filter it down via job title. Now, of course, if you wanted to use an agent, you would just do the exact same thing. I would go ahead, I would add an agent node instead of the if node, and then I would run the research or question or query that you're obviously wanting the agent to go ahead and qualify or answer for you. And then from there, give it the output that you would want, and then obviously continue on with the workflow. So you can see what's happening here. It's going ahead, it's now just enriching the individual, and then it will filter through to that if node and give us whether that person contained a job title of founder or marketing. Perfect. And so we can see this was true, and let's go ahead and see why it was true. So I'm just going to view the person enrichment step because the job title contained founder. Ideal. And so from there, it allows you to filter down on ICP plus so much more as well. So I really encourage you to go ahead and look at all of the or look at the amount of data that you can get coming from a person enrichment node, because it gives you the ability to do so much more within a workflow, knowing what you can enrich each individual by.